You think black holes are black? Wrong, it has no color at all. You think a black hole is a hole? Wrong. It's the densest entity in the universe. You thought you would fall into a black hole and be crushed. You're wrong, you'll be pulled alive like a noodle into a filament. This process has a specific, it's called spaghetti, and here's what's even scarier. When you are pulled to death, people outside look at you. You are still alive because black holes distort time. You scream in there for a second. It's been 10,000 years out there, and just when you thought the black hole was far away, scientists tell you, there's one in the center of the galaxy, 4,000,000 times the mass of the sun. It's devouring everything that comes near it. The only good news is that it can't eat the Earth for a while. The bad news is, there may still be something hidden in the universe. Billions of black holes we can't even see, so here's the problem. If one day a black hole suddenly appeared in the solar system, how much time do humans have left? And the answer is probably not even a chance to react. April 2025, scientists have confirmed for the first time a lonely wanderer black hole. It's more than 7 times the mass of the sun, running through space at 51 kilometers per second. No companion star, no companions, like an invisible killer sneaking in the dark for billions of years. And here's what's even scarier. The Milky Way may be hiding a billion of these wandering black holes. They don't emit light, they don't emit heat. You never know if it will happen in the next second. One suddenly appeared near the Earth, but that's not the craziest part. Scientists have discovered that about 10 million years ago, happened at the center of our galaxy, a shocking murder. A medium-sized black hole 15,000 times the mass of the sun, 4,000,000 times the mass of the sun. The super black hole swallowed it in one bite. The energy released by this collision directly turned the surrounding stars upward every second. The speed of 1,000 kilometers is thrown into the depths of the universe, become a fugitive forever. Both the murderer and the victim are black holes. This is cosmic black eat black. Speaking of eating, do you know how edible black holes are? There is a monster black hole called Ton 618 in the universe. 66 billion times the mass of the sun. What is this concept? All the stars in the Milky Way galaxy add up, only 64 billion times the mass of the sun. A single black hole is heavier than the entire galaxy. Its event world has a diameter of 390 billion kilometers, could hold 1,600 solar systems. If you fly the speed of light it flies from side to side. It takes a full 6 days, but what puzzles scientists the most is, Ton 618 should not exist at all. According to the laws of physics, black holes have an Eddington limit. It limits their feeding rate. But Ton 618 is only 3 billion years old in the universe. It's already so big. How does it do it? Nobody knows. The latest research findings: some black holes can outperform theory eating crazy at 40 times the limit. This means that our understanding of black holes, it may still be at the kindergarten level. And here comes the weirder part. The temperature at the edge of a black hole can reach 1 billion degrees. 80,000 times hotter than the surface of the sun, but go a few millimeters in. It is the coldest place in the universe, close to absolute zero. This extreme contrast, physicists call it the firewall paradox. If I throw you in, you will see both endings simultaneously. A version of you burned to ashes, the other is frozen to ice, and both are true. This is quantum mechanics and relativity. A fight broke out here in the black hole. No one can convince anyone. In 2019, humans took the first photo of a black hole. That's the supermassive black hole at the center of galaxy M87, 6.50 billion times the mass of the sun. September 2025, scientists have released their latest photos of it. A surprising phenomenon was discovered. The magnetic field around the black hole has completely flipped in 4 years. This suggests that the black hole is surrounded by an extreme chaos and hell. And the M87 black hole ejected energy jets up to 5,000 light-years in length, dancing an 11-year cosmic waltz. It swings every 11 years. This is the first time humans have seen how black holes twist matter into twists. Then it is sprayed into the depths of the universe at nearly the speed of light. Speaking of which, you might ask, will black holes last forever? And the answer is no. Hawking predicted as early as 1974 black holes evaporate slowly through quantum effects, although the process is extremely long. A solar mass black hole, it takes 10 to the 67 years to evaporate, but at the last moment it disappeared. There will be a huge explosion, but before that a bigger disaster may come first. 4.50 billion years later, the Milky Way will collide with Andromeda. Supermassive black holes at the centers of two galaxies will orbit each other, ultimately merged into a much larger monster. This collision will unleash an attractive force. They ripple through the universe, and if our descendants still exist, we'll witness it all with my own eyes. By the end of 2024, more than 200 attractive force events have been detected. Every attractive force is the black hole's last words to us too. In 2019, scientists detected the largest black hole collision in history. The two are 85 times the size of the Sun and 66 times more massive black holes collide, merged into a new black hole 142 times the mass of the Sun, 9 times the mass of the Sun, all converted into attractive force wave energy, equivalent to the entire observable universe. The total amount of energy released by a star in an instant. The collision took place 17 billion light-years away. Attractive force waves travel across the universe to reach Earth. What is the center of a black hole? There's something called the singularity. The volume is zero. Infinite density. Infinitely attractive force where Einstein's theory of relativity failed. Quantum mechanics collapses. All the laws of physics are broken. Some scientists speculate that there could be a gateway to another universe. Some people say where time doesn't even exist. Past, present, future, all crowded together. But let's be honest, no one really knows, because what goes in never comes out again. The closest black hole to us is more than 1,500 light-years away in the direction of Ophiuchus. With current human technology, it will take more than 20 million years to fly there, and the solar system happens to be in the habitable zone of the Milky Way. Neither will it be torn apart by the black hole, nor is it too far away to lack the elements to form life. This is a lucky gift from the universe to us. When we gaze at a black hole, we're not just seeing the limits of the universe. It is a breakthrough in the boundaries of human cognition, from quantum world to attractive force world. From the nature of time to the conservation of information, the ultimate of all physics, they all meet there. And that's only the beginning.